Have you ever felt off without knowing why? Not sick, but not well either. Maybe it's constant tiredness, or stubborn weight, or that gut feeling that something's not quite right. What if all those symptoms were connected? What if they were warning signs from your liver? Your liver works 24/7. It filters your blood, breaks down fat, stores energy, clears toxins. But here's the shocking part. Liver disease often shows zero symptoms until it's advanced. Millions are walking around with a stressed liver, and they have no idea. In this video, we're exposing the 7 subtle signs that your liver is struggling, plus what you can do today to naturally support and repair it. Let's get into it. Number 7. Chronic fatigue that won't go away. You wake up groggy. Coffee barely helps. By afternoon, you feel like you're dragging a 50-pound weight. Sound familiar? Chronic fatigue is one of the earliest and most ignored signs of liver dysfunction. Your liver helps convert glucose into energy, but when it's inflamed or overloaded, it can't regulate blood sugar properly. That leaves your cells starving, even if you've just eaten. A study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that over 65% of patients with liver disease reported persistent, unexplained fatigue, even before any lab tests revealed a problem. Natural fix: start your morning with warm lemon water. It gently stimulates liver enzymes, flushes toxins, and hydrates your cells. Avoid energy drinks. They stress your liver further. Focus on hydration, movement, and nutrient-dense foods instead. Number 6. Frequent bloating and indigestion. Every time you eat, your stomach feels heavy. You burp more than usual. You're bloated, even with small meals. This isn't just bad digestion. It could be your liver. When the liver is overworked, bile production decreases. And bile is essential for digesting fats and clearing waste. Without it, you get bloated, sluggish, and even constipated. According to the American Gastroenterological Association, sluggish bile flow is a leading cause of post-meal bloating in people with early liver issues. Natural fix: incorporate bitter greens like dandelion, mustard greens, or radicchio. They help stimulate bile naturally. Add 1 small salad with bitter greens per day, or try beetroot juice, which supports liver detox and digestion. Disclaimer: if bloating is severe or chronic, consult your doctor to rule out gallbladder issues. Number 5. Skin issues: itching, acne, rashes, or yellowing. Your skin is trying to tell you something. When your liver can't filter toxins properly, those toxins leak through your skin. The result? Stubborn acne, itchy arms, dry patches, even yellowish skin or eyes, a sign called jaundice. The British Journal of Dermatology has linked chronic liver conditions with eczema, psoriasis, and general skin inflammation. Natural fix: cut down on processed sugars and seed oils. They're inflammatory and overload the liver. Boost your intake of vitamin E and antioxidants, found in avocados, nuts, and sweet potatoes. Drink plenty of water and try milk thistle tea. It's been studied for its liver-regenerating effects. Number 4. Unexplained weight gain, especially around the belly. You're eating healthy, maybe even dieting, but the belly bulge doesn't go away. Your liver plays a key role in metabolizing fat. If it's congested with toxins or fat buildup, as in fatty liver, it slows down your entire metabolism and tells your body to store fat, especially around your organs. Research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology links fatty liver disease to insulin resistance, making weight loss almost impossible. Natural fix: eat cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that boosts liver detox enzymes. Also, limit fructose. Excessive fruit juice and soft drinks directly contribute to fat buildup in the liver. Number 3. Brain fog, irritability, and mood swings. You can't focus. You keep forgetting names. Small things annoy you, and you don't know why. It's not just stress. It could be your liver. When your liver is impaired, toxins like ammonia build up in your bloodstream and reach the brain. This can cause mild confusion, poor memory, and even mood instability. A study in hepatology linked early liver dysfunction with impaired neurotransmitter regulation and increased anxiety. Natural fix: add turmeric with black pepper to your diet. Curcumin reduces inflammation and supports liver health. Include healthy fats like omega-3s from flaxseed, chia, or walnuts to nourish your brain and liver. Number 2. Dark urine and pale stools. Let's talk about something most people avoid: your pee and your poop. If your urine is dark yellow or brown, despite drinking enough water, your liver might not be processing bilirubin properly. And if your stool is unusually pale or clay-colored, it could mean bile isn't reaching your digestive system. The Cleveland Clinic warns that these are classic signs of bile duct blockage or liver congestion and should never be ignored. Natural fix: first, see a doctor to rule out serious conditions. Then, add foods that support bile flow, like garlic, turmeric, and artichokes. Also, stay away from trans fats, which clog liver function and bile production. Number 1. Bad breath and unusual body odor. You brush, floss, and shower, but something still smells off. That sour or metallic smell on your breath, that musty body odor, it's called fetor hepaticus, and it's a sign your liver isn't clearing out waste effectively. Studies in the World Journal of Gastroenterology confirm this symptom in people with chronic liver stress, even when blood tests were normal. Natural fix: focus on fiber. Soluble fiber from oats, flax seeds, apples, and lentils binds toxins in the gut and helps excrete them naturally. Drink green tea. It contains catechins, which protect liver cells from damage. So now you know. The signs are there: the fatigue, the fog, the bloating, the strange smells. Your liver isn't just filtering toxins. It's protecting you, powering your energy, regulating your entire system. The best part? Your liver is incredibly regenerative, but only if you listen early. So don't ignore the whispers. Start small. Eat whole foods, stay hydrated, sleep well. Add one new liver-supportive habit this week. Just one. And if this video opened your eyes, don't stop here. Give it a like. Tell us in the comments which sign surprised you the most. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We post weekly videos on healing naturally and living better. Your liver works quietly, but now it's your turn to protect it back.